Suppose you have a video or an image and you would like to rotate it, so you can do that very easily by using this uh, button, which is the rotate anti-clockwise. So let's say you want to rotate this image, so just click on this icon and then you can rotate it as many as times as you want to reach to the perfect orientation. Now you can do this for images as well or videos. So here we have a video and we are trying to rotate it and it's getting rotated without any issue. So this works well for both images and videos. And also you have other option to go to image and then either click on rotate anti-clockwise or clockwise. So while you get only one anti-clockwise option over here, under image you will see both options for rotating. You can also flip the images horizontally and vertically. So you go to the image which you want to rotate and or flip, and then go to image and then click on vertical flip. So now it has vertically flipped the image. You can again go to image and then click on flip horizontal to flip it horizontal. So yeah, this is pretty amazing feature. It's in softwares like Photoshop, but Apple Photos is pretty handy in that case. It just does all the good work.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.